We are going to move on to a young man that we are so proud of, who has been part of this Gullah Geechee Nation movement in Charleston, South Carolina, who is part of a dramatic production done each and every year for our Moja Festival that is produced by the Gullah Geechee Angel Network. But also, God has gifted him to do something that not a whole lot of Gullah Geechees do, which is mime. And so I bring now to the stage Brother Quinton Heyward.
Who am I? Where am I from? Where am I going? I am a Gullah man. I am from Africa. Taken from Africa, brought to South Carolina in chains, not knowing where will I be going, torn away from my family, torn away from my friends, not knowing if I will see them again. Where am I going?
Sometimes I feel like a motherless child. Sometimes I feel like a child. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child, so far away from home. So far away from home.
Being enslaved, knowing that where I am and being sold and traded wasn't the way to be. But I know in my mind that I had to be free. I had to get away. I had to go. I could not stay. Not seeing my family, not seeing my friends, only seeing darkness and negativity wasn't the way to be. So I heard of a place in the South that I would go, that I would journey. I got my opportunity, and now here I flee. How did you feel when you come?
May this land and space be sacred, hallowed ground. May blessings continue to flow to and through you. And now, big Babatunde, pause us out.
Geechee
Seminole Maroon. Gullah, Geechee, Seminole Maroon. Hey, this is fly, this is fresh, this is African swagger rat is best. This is fly, fresh, yes. This how my brother doing cause he's blessed. This is fly, this is fresh, this is African swagger rat is best. This is fly, fresh, yes. This how my brother doing cause he's blessed. Yes, hi, I'm fly like NASA, dreadlock in the street like Jamaican pasta, like Montana, got the world in the casa. My name brings chill to your head like Mufasa. There they go, Big Baba, the one that said you can't flow with that Agbada, the one that said you're too conscious to have that swagger. That's why I be in the bush practicing my kata, dancing my jinga. I stay surrounded by sisters ready for war like Quinton Heyward. After I'm through spitting my birth, the truth linger like venom in my brain when they meet my stinger. Production, my environment. I'm so black, I'm so Yoruba, I'm so facts. While I'm protecting my environment, I'm so up there looking down on everybody from the sky. It's fly, this is fresh, African swagger rat is best. This is fly, fresh, yes. This your boo brother do it. Everybody let me hear you say Gullah, Geechee, Seminole Maroon. 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 We gotta go, y'all.
So chill out. Can't crack too much. Only because we did in this here city and the children ain't on this here, so they have to go. That's why we in the Gullah Geechee Nation, we ain't never had no problem with no time limit. Because we move as a spirit move. We land, so we do what we want on until night. But when we come to the city, since the city on this shit, we can't let we stay in here at night. But guess what God tell me? God said they'll run you out the building, but they will run the energy into the street. So you can turn in all the physical book what they are in the library, but you are the books. You are the ones bearing witness and writing the pages of this year Gullah Geechee Seminole Maroon reunion. We are still unconquered. We remain unconquered. And we stand and we say for Big Daddy, Mama, and all of Hunter that tell me for damn they turn it. Liberty! 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 Thank you, God. You made us free. Thank you, God, for making me free. Thank you, God, for this your Gullah Geechee. God bless you for the children. God bless you. Go with you on your journey and stay under that pool. Stay behind the airport and God gonna protect all of you. And you know one thing. It might try to take your drum, but it can never get them unless it cut your chest open. It cut your drum deep right in.